What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another airport update. Today we have RDU, or Raleigh-Durham International Airport. Here are today's shoutouts. If you'd like to participate in that, all you need to do is leave a like and a comment and watch all the way to the end of the video, and you can participate in that. Also, I would like to ask, if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing, because it really does help support my channel. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Starting off with this JetBlue Airbus A320. This aircraft is in the Blueberry's tail and will be departing out to Boston. Next, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700. This aircraft is second in line for departure and will be heading out to Kansas City. Fourth in line for departure is a American Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is in the AirCal Retro livery and will be heading out to Los Angeles. Next in line, we have a FedEx Boeing 767-300. FedEx does have a fairly big hub here at RDU. Not too big. They have about 6 routes, so not too big, but fairly big. Decent, I guess you could say. But anyway, this FedEx 767-300 will be heading out to Wilmington. Starting off at the United gates, we have a United 737-800. This aircraft is getting crew on board the aircraft and some catering done to the aircraft, and will be pushing back in about 20 minutes for a flight out to Denver, Colorado. The one closest to us, which is a United Express ERJ 175, as you can see, is getting fuel on board the aircraft and will be heading out to Chicago O'Hare. The one closest to us, or the one that's in focus now, is a United Express CRJ 550. Obviously, this will be operating as a plain CRJ 700 and will be heading out to Houston Intercontinental. And then the one in focus now, or in the back, is a United Express CRJ 550. Same circumstance, it'll be operating for a CRJ 700. This just arrived in from Washington Dulles. At the tip of the concourse here is a Frontier Airbus A320neo. This aircraft is getting pilots, flight attendants on board, and the cleaning crew is just getting done with its final service on the aircraft, and this will be pushing back in about 30 minutes for a flight out to Buffalo. Starting off with the Delta aircraft, so we have a Delta Boeing 717. This aircraft is just getting some service done to it. It'll be staying overnight and then doing a flight out to Columbus. Next, we have a Delta Airbus A321. This aircraft is getting fuel on board the aircraft, as you can see, and then is getting some catering done towards the back of the aircraft, just getting its snacks and meals on board, and will be doing a flight out to Atlanta, Georgia. All the way in the back there, we have a Delta Connection Bombardier, or now it's Mitsubishi, CRJ 700. This aircraft just arrived in from LaGuardia. Next, we have a American Airbus A319. This aircraft is just getting service on board and is getting some cargo loaded onto the back. As you can see, it'll be pushing back in about 20 minutes for a flight out to Dallas-Fort Worth. Pushing back out of the gate is a Alaska 737-900ER. This aircraft is in the More to Love livery, which is a extremely gorgeous livery, and if you can get your hands on it, I would highly recommend it to you guys. So as I mentioned, this will be pushing back for a flight out to Seattle, and then I'll be doing a flight back here. Right here on the other side of the concourse, or the back side, is a Spirit Airbus A320. As you can see, is getting cargo loaded on board, and some service done to the aircraft, getting it deep cleaned because of the virus, and will be pushing back in about 30 minutes for a flight out to Fort Lauderdale. This is handheld, so I do apologize if it is a little shaky. But here we have a Alaska 737-900ER. In the honoring those who served livery, getting some fuel on board and some catering with snacks and meals and drinks, and will be pushing back in 45 minutes for a flight out to Seattle. if you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're new. And leave a comment on what you guys think of this airport and if I should keep doing more of that. Also, if you have a suggested airport that you want me to do, just leave it down in the comments below, and I will do my best to do it. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I did hope you enjoyed the airport update, and there are plenty more to come. And one thing to mention is I am on vacation as you guys are watching this video, and Tuesday's video will also be pre-recorded, so I do apologize for that, but not a big deal. But yeah, it's some pretty exciting uploads coming in the future, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be an unboxing video. Peace out.